Hi everybody, I'm just going to make a quick video on the cabin construction. As you can see here, the roof rafters are all totally on and they're nice and straightened by those temporary braces that you see in there. And we're starting to put on top what we call the purlins. It's an English word, P-U-R-L-I-N. And it's basically these little thin pieces of wood that we're going to attach the roof sheeting onto, which is going to come down in vertical strips. Right? We're going to put 5 rows of purlins, and then we're going to screw the metal roof sheets, which are over there, on top of those, 48 of them. And then we're going to use screws that have special rubber washers to screw them in so the rain doesn't get through them. So yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting. On the corner here, you can see we put this big, this piece right there. I guess I would call it blocking between the rafters. And the reason is because we don't really have a support from this end of the rafter down here. And I don't want to put one because it would be ugly and it would be hard to do properly. And it's just not necessary. So we can add that blocking there, and in addition to the blocking, we also put a collar tie at the top. Looks like the collar tie, yeah, so the collar tie is right here. And so the collar tie and the blocking together are hopefully providing enough strength that this corner of the rafter here is not going to sag. The roof itself, the roof sheeting obviously is not very much weight, but the roof itself, it has to be able to hold up its own weight. And the other thing is it has to be able to hold up the weight of the people who are installing the roof, and that's pretty important. You don't want anything breaking or busting because there's guys climbing up there, and you don't want anyone getting hurt. So hopefully within a few days we'll get the rest of the purlins put on, and then we'll be putting the roof sheets on, and then we'll see what happens after that. Have a great day, everybody.